How to place your text on the wall in Photoshop. Import your image into Photoshop and make sure it is editable. Input the text you want to place on the wall and scale. Once done, make a selection of the text by holding Ctrl, then clicking on the text in the Layer panel. Using Ctrl+C, make a copy of the selection and turn off the text layer. Then, create an empty layer above the image. With the empty layer selected, go to Filter and select Vanishing Point. Using the pins, create a frame to place the text. Then paste your selection and scale using Ctrl+T. Hold the Shift key to scale equally. Place the text as you see fit, and press OK once done. Blend the text using the blending options to give it the wall texture and make it more realistic.